How to remove original video sound on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open TikTok. Log into your account. Click on plus button at the bottom. After that, simply record a video. You can also add a video from your gallery, that does not matter. After you have done that, on the right side you will find square box-like option. Click on it. Then you'll find editing section pop up. At the left side, you'll find speaker-like option. Click on it. After you click on it, as you can see now, there is cross mark, which means the video sound has been muted. And this is how to remove original video sound on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.